Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, certainly a dramatic change in the weather compared to yesterday, where some locations were close to 80 degrees, only 50s this afternoon. Widespread light rain continues. We've got a live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar tracking it well and actually coming in ahead of schedule by almost 4 hours. We're watching a coastal storm, but the rain continues. Initially light, though the trend for later on this evening and during the overnight hours, the rain to become much heavier. So we're tracking a small coastal storm near New Jersey, responsible for the cool and wet weather. Again, that rain becoming much heavier later on tonight. Some spots may see up to 1 to 2 inches of rain. However, rivers should not be a problem with those rain amounts. So while we'll get a decent soaking during the overnight, the rivers should be able to handle it. There could be some minor street flooding in some streets overnight tonight. Downtown Providence, light rain, cool and raw. Temperature only 53 with an east breeze at 8. Humidity on the high side at 80%. Temperatures are very uniform, really, no matter where you travel. Most spots are roughly between 52 and 55 degrees. Other locations with similar temperatures, so very cool for this time of year. Should be close to about 72 for a normal high temperature. As we widen out the view, you can see the shield of rain developing offshore and to our south. Here's the area of low pressure of the storm. This is the New Jersey coastline right in here, and this will track north and east. It looks like the heaviest rain is actually going to be centered over southeastern Massachusetts. So a close call, but certainly some soakings likely during the overnight. For this evening, just more of the same, with each passing hour the rain getting a little heavier. Temperatures staying in the lower 50s. Sunset time at 8:02. Overnight tonight, midnight and beyond, could even be the rumble of thunder with heavy rain. Temperatures remaining in the lower 50s. Some leftover rain tomorrow morning, especially early on at 54. The trend during the afternoon will be for damp weather, but nothing really steady, just more of a kind of a sprinkle and drizzle, cloudy gray skies, and high temperatures struggling to get to 60. We're thinking only in the upper 50s. Futurecast shows this well starting at 8 o'clock this evening. The colors represent precipitation. Now the orange and yellows indicate heavy rain. This is 3 o'clock in the morning while most of us are sleeping. Notice it's centered over southeastern Massachusetts. Here we are tomorrow morning. The real heavy rain pulling away, but more than likely we'll be left with occasional spots of sprinkles and drizzle throughout the day, with mainly cloudy skies. And you can see temperatures once again very cool for this time of year. Here's a closer look at it for tomorrow afternoon, with a northeasterly breeze at 15 to 20. So a breezy, damp, and cool day. But at least during the afternoon, the intensity of the rain will let up. And again, it's more sprinkles and drizzle than anything else. Hey, the payback in all of this, we're back to sunshine and dramatically warmer on Thursday. We're well into the 70s. In fact, look at the stretch of weather we're forecasting starting Thursday through the weekend into early next week. Temperatures approaching the mid and upper 70s with some sunshine. So we get through tomorrow and we start the, well, weather-winning streak on Thursday, happy to say.
It's pretty nice.
Weather-winning streak.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Enjoy.
Thanks, Tony.
All right.
Coming up, when I was